Buyers are buying as indicated by the 10.7% increase in new contracts this report, and well ahead by 34% from last year this same time. It's Friday, May 23rd, 2025. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker-owner, reporting from the Eastern Shore office of Kinetic Realty. This is the weekly Maryland Eastern Shore report. Days on the market haven't risen that much since last year this time, 21 days last May as compared to 24 days this May. However, home prices are up from $393,000 to $448,250 this report. Last year, this time, there were 1,601 homes for sale on the shore. This week, inventory of available homes for sale rose to 2,090. Coming soon homes rose to 152. 169 homes went under contract in 25 days. 143 homes settled at 97.6% list to sold ratio, with days before contract sticking at 24 days. 101 homes are for lease, available at a median $2,200 per month. That's your weekly wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore report for May 23rd, 2025. Thanks so much for tuning in. I'll be taking some time off this weekend. Enjoy your holiday weekend and take a moment to remember those who paid the ultimate sacrifice this Memorial Day. Stay safe. I'll see you next week. Take care.